Hello and welcome to 12.3, odds. Odds, we have two types of ways of odds. Thinking about odds, we have odds for and odds against. We'll talk about odds against an event. That's the ratio of probability that the event will fail to occur, its failure, compared to the probability that the event will occur, or success. So odds against an event would be the probability the event fails to occur over the probability the event does occur. That's probability of failure over probability of success. You could also look at it, how many ways can it not happen compared to how many ways can it happen. So example 1, determine the odds against rolling a 5 on one roll of a die. So the probability of no 5 compared to the probability of a 5. So that's going to be 5 out of 6 compared to 1 out of 6. There's 5 non-5s, there's 1 5, or 5 to 1. The probability against rolling a 5 is 5 to 1. Now, odds in favor of an event, with the probability the event occurs over the probability the event fails to occur. So it's probability of success over failure. Okay. So the odds against an event are A to B. The odds in favor of an event are B to A. Example 2. The odds against Fancy Frank winning the horse race are 8 to 3. Determine the odds in favor of Fancy Frank winning the horse race. Well, I'm just going to flip it around. 3 to 8. 8 ways to lose compared to 3 to win. That means 3 to win compared to 8 to lose. In her wallet, Ann Kelly has 12 bills. 6 are $1 bills, 2 are $5 bills, 3 are $10 bills, and 1 is a $20 bill. She passes a volunteer seeking donations for the Salvation Army and decides to select one bill at random from her wallet and give it to the Salvation Army. Determine the probability, this is different than odds, probability that she selects a $5 bill. Well, there are 2 $5 bills out of the 12 bills altogether. That's 1 out of 6. The probability she does not select a $5 bill, well, that's going to be 1 minus 1/6, which is 5/6. The odds in favor of her selecting a $5 bill. So this is odds. How many $5 bills? There are 2 $5 bills and 10 non-$5 bills. That'd be 1 to 5 if you divide both by 2. And the odds against her selecting a $5 bill, there are 10 non-$5 bills, 2 $5 bills. That's 5 to 1. Feel free to pause. I'm going to go to the next page. Example 4. A die is tossed. Determine the odds against rolling a 4. So the odds against rolling, first one's a 4. So there's 5 non-4s and 1 4. What are the odds against rolling an odd number? There are 3 things that are not odd, 3 things that are odd, so it's 1 to 1. The odds of rolling a number less than 3, there are odds against rolling a number less than 3. There are 4 things that are not less than 3. There are 2 things that are less than 3. So that's 2 to 1. So again, there's 3, 4, 5, 6 that are not less than 3 because we're going against a number less than 3. So 4 things are not less than 3, 2 things that are less than 3. A number greater than 4. Against rolling a number greater than 4. So there are 4 things that are not greater than 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 things that are greater than 4. And that's 2 to 1. Okay. Well, that'll do it for 12.3 odds. And send me your questions. Thank you.